thing we're going to do is release the brake by pushing this together and slipping it up. I got the brake off. Now we got a 19 millimeter. That's right here. We're going to loosen that. Both sides, 19 millimeter. Now we're just loosening those. Now we're going to flip the bike over. You can see I flipped the bike over. Be careful not to harm the luggage rack. As you can see, I put a piece of wood under the seat to make it a little higher. Now we're going to continue removing this. We're going to move this. This pulls off. Slide it down. This just comes off. It's grooved. You can see there's a little groove right there that fits in, right, that hole. Do the same on the other side. Finish sliding this off, slide this down. Yep. Now our tire just comes off. Alright, removing the tube, so make sure twist that off. Make sure the tire is completely flat by deflating it. This one happens to be. Now what you're going to do is grab this together, squeeze it together, and push it in. And you're going to notice that probably up here you can get it off. Then you'll take your hand and just whip it around. Now if you were unable to get in there, you could take a knife, or I'm using a plastic, and you just kind of pry it off to get it off that way. Okay, next we're going to pull our old tire out if it's not already out. We got our new tire here. We're going to stick it in. Here's the valve stem, obviously. Stick everything in like this, around like that. We're threaded in there. We're going to take our valve stem, pull it out a little bit. We're going to take our wheel and put it like that in there. We're going to find our hole. We're going to line it up, push it in there. This is a 26-inch tire. Then we're going to just push it back and feed it back on. I'll need two hands. Remember, what you're going to do is push in here. Well, not where the valve stem is, but right around here. Push in. And if you push it like that, you can get more coverage on the other side. And just kind of feed the tire around, and it's on. Make sure our valve stem is pulled out straight. If it's to the side, you can have a flat real quick. Now we're going to inflate the... Okay, pumping up our tire. Just make sure that everything's getting in. Take your hand around. Make sure that tube is going in its channel. And you don't have to pump it up all the way. You can finish pumping it once you get it mounted. Alright, putting the tire back on. As you can see, we're going to go in here, get that right in its groove, right in its hole. Take our basket, put that back on, and our screw. Tighten that up. That's 19 millimeters. And do it to the other side. Make sure the wheel is straight when you put it on. Kind of wiggle it so it's... So next, reconnect the brake, and then you have this still loose. It's on there, but loose. So you can still move the tire a little bit, and you want to have it so it goes smoothly through the brake. Now you're going to tighten these up, and you're good.